do. So as I've been doing these training videos with the stock market, I've also been sharing with you when I make trades. So I did at 10:03 this morning, I did make a trade. I had bought on Friday, I had bought the NVIDIA $60 option for Friday of this week. I don't normally trade options that are that fast or that short of duration. But because the spreadsheet was saying, hey, NVIDIA has a little bit of upside to it, it can break above 60 possibly this week. I went in and bought the option for $1.19 a share for just one option, just one. So it was just 100 shares. And I then went in and placed the 139 strike price, or 139, $1.39 was where I was going to sell it at. So today at 10:03, because oil was up, as we're going through commercials here, as oil was up, I was able to get out of, and it's weird when they're running commercials because normally they have a ticker going by at the bottom. There it is. But anyway, as oil was up today for that little brief period, I was able to get out of my option call for a $20 gain. Now that might not seem like much, and it's kind of funny because I'm teaching myself options. But I was up, which was fun. I was up $20. And so it's $20 in my account that I didn't have before. It was teaching myself options. So I didn't want to go in and put a whole bunch of money in there because options can expire worthless. They can move against you very, very rapidly and expire worthless. I didn't want to do that. So I got $20 more in my account. And when you think about $20 of profit off of a $120 investment is a massive rate of return in an hour and 7 minutes or so. So that's the fun thing about options. You have to be careful with options because they work against you. And I'll do more videos about options too, because I am starting to teach myself a little bit about the spreadsheet and about the concept of the options trades. There's going to be some really good gains later on as I teach myself the rest of this. And we will dive into it one trade at a time. So right now I just own the 200 shares of Oxy. I owned completely outright. That are back sitting in my account waiting for it to break somewhere around 59.80 or so. And then I'll sell probably the 60 covered call options and do some different things. We'll see what happens with the internal data on Oxy as well too. It's not necessarily looking very good, but we'll see what happens with what it does today and what it looks like in the spreadsheet. So I'm just kind of holding it right now because I like Oxy, at least I understand it. And I will be making some money off of my Oxy. If everybody's, and my thought process is that if Germany is going gangbusters, if everybody's back to work and everybody's driving all these miles, the data sets in Toronto are showing that traffic flows in Toronto are worse now than what they've ever been, even prior to COVID. So if everybody's out driving, then everybody needs gasoline, which means that everybody needs oil. And we have over a billion or over 1 million barrels a day shortage in the country, in the globe. So that should mean that the price of oil should be rising as well too, because demand is demand. That the government of the United States is holding oil down and working against me. Okay, fine, we got our boxing gloves on. And every so often it's able to break out and I end up making some money off of it. So thank you very much, Mr. Government. And we'll keep doing that anytime we can. So thanks for tuning in. That's it for the Oxy trade. Thanks so much.